Namaste Vidyarthini Mitra Maitrinenno. Today we are going to start new chapter of algebra 10th standard, that is arithmetic progression. Yet you know what is the meaning of arithmetic progression in this chapter. Third chapter, arithmetic progression. From this chapter, the first topic we are going to learn, that is sequence. So first, let's understand the definition of sequence. A set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order is called sequence. सिक्वेन्स म्हणजे काय की ज्याच्यामध्ये दिलेले नंबर हे पर्टिक्युलर ऑर्डर नुसार अरेंज केलेले असतात. मीन्स इन अ सिक्वेन्स ऑल द नंबर्स आर अरेंज्ड इन अ पर्टिक्युलर ऑर्डर or by particular rule. First example of sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16. Means if you observe, all these are the squares of natural number. What is the rule behind it? When they construct this chain or this sequence, the rule behind it is, see, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Means all the numbers are arranged by particular rule. So this is the first sequence. Now come to the second example. 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity. All these numbers are arranged by which rule? कोणत्या नियमानुसार या संख्या अरेंज केलेल्या आहेत? Just think, if you observe, you will come to know all these are odd numbers. See, 1, then 3, 5, 7, all these are odd numbers. या सर्व विषम संख्या आहे. Then come to the third sum. Third sequence is 2, 3, 5, 7. Then all these numbers are arranged by which particular rule? Or what is the definite order? 2, 3, 5, 7, if you observe, which is the particular rule over here? These are not a odd numbers. See, some people may consider 3, 5, 7, sir, all these are odd numbers, but no, 2 is even. दोन्ही सम संख्या आहे. So what rule you found here? All these are prime numbers. All these are prime numbers. 2 is the smallest prime number, which is even, and remaining numbers are odd. So 2, 3, 5, 7, all these are odd numbers. So all you understood the definition of sequence. Sequence means a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged by particular rule. All these numbers are denoted by, see, terms in a sequence. Terms in a sequence are denoted by T1, T2, T3, dot dot dot. Like this. Means here T1 is 2, T2 is 3, T4 is 5, T3 is 5, and T4 is 7. First term, second term, third term, fourth term of a sequence. Like this, you can take terms in a given sequence. Now here we learn what is the meaning of sequence. Now we'll transition to the main topic, that is arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Just I am reading the definition. In a sequence, if difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. means in a given sequence. Here we learned already three sequences. This is the first sequence, then this is the second sequence, and this is the third sequence. 1 2 3. In a sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms, जे क्रमागत दोन संख्यांमधील फरक is constant, समान असेल, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. जे दिलेल्या सिक्वेन्स मधील क्रमागत येणाऱ्या दोन संख्यांमधील फरक जर कॉन्स्टंट असेल, समान असेल, तरच त्या सिक्वेन्सला आपण म्हणणार आहोत arithmetic progression. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याकडे तीन सिक्वेन्स आहे. थ्री सिक्वेन्स आर गिवन. लेट्स चेक where the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. See in the first sequence, 4 minus 1, that is 3. Here the difference is 3. 9 minus 4, here the difference is 5. 16 minus 9, here the difference is 7. Here difference is 3, difference is 5, difference is 7. So difference between two consecutive terms, 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 16 minus 9 is 7. So difference between two consecutive terms is not constant, means D is not constant. Therefore this sequence is not an arithmetic progression. So the first example is not a sequence. Now focus on second sum, 1 3 5 7 up to infinity. Is it an arithmetic progression? Just check the difference. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So here the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore this is the example of arithmetic progression. Last sum, 2 3 5 7. In this sequence, if you observe, 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, means here the difference is not constant. Therefore this sequence is also not an arithmetic progression. So here first and third example is not of an arithmetic progression, only the middle sequence is an arithmetic progression. So from this sum, we will come to know every sequence is not an arithmetic progression. So here in an AP, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant and it is denoted by D. And this difference between two consecutive terms may be positive, may be negative, or may be 0. So from these sums you understood the meaning of arithmetic progression. So we'll write some example of arithmetic progression. Definition already understood. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, important, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. 1 2 3. From these three sequences, only second sequence, 1 3 5 7. This is the example of an arithmetic progression. Second example, you can write number of examples we can take here. Suppose 5 8 11 14 dot dot dot. Here also 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3, 14 minus 11 is 3. Difference between two consecutive terms, क्रमागत येणाऱ्या दोन संख्यांमधील फरक हा समान आहे, कॉन्स्टंट आहे, means both these examples are the examples of arithmetic progression. So you can write terms in an arithmetic progression. like this. Terms in an arithmetic progression. I will write here. Terms in an if. See, if A is the first term and B is the common difference, then see, T1 first term is A. In an arithmetic progression, first term is denoted by A and D is the common difference, that is T2 minus T1 gives you the common difference. Then how to obtain the terms from that arithmetic progression? T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to T1 plus common difference. Then T3 is equal to previous term plus common difference. T4 is equal to previous term plus common difference. Like this you can obtain nth term also. So T1 is the first term denoted by A, T2 is the second term means first term plus difference, T3 means third term. How to obtain second term plus common difference? By this formula you can obtain the arithmetic progression if the value of A and value of D are given. So like this, all you understood the meaning of sequence and arithmetic progression. So every sequence is not arithmetic progression. If you come to know, every arithmetic progression is sequence. Every arithmetic progression is sequence, but every sequence is not an arithmetic progression. Now by using this meaning of sequence and arithmetic progression, we will solve few sums from practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1. See, question number 1. Which of the following sequence which of the following sequence is an AP? This is the first part. If they are AP, find common difference. This is the question. One sum I will take here. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. From the practice set, I took one sum in order to understand the method. I am reading the question. Which of the following sequence is an AP? If they are AP, find common difference. First we will focus on first part. Is the sequence is an AP? All you know the definition. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant from the given sequence, then and then this sequence is called an arithmetic progression. So here T1 first term is minus 10, T2 second term is minus 6, T3 third term is minus 2, and T4 fourth term is 2. See, T1, T2, T3, T4. Now we will check the common difference. We will check the common difference. Is it same or not? So how to calculate common difference D? Common difference means difference between two consecutive terms. That is T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, and last T4 minus T3. Next term minus previous term. Here also next term minus previous term. T2 minus T1, that is minus 6 minus minus 10. Minus 6 minus minus 10. That is minus 6 as it is, minus into minus, plus 10. Here opposite sign, do subtraction, sign of the greater term, that is 10 minus 6 is 4, sign of the greater is plus, not necessary to write. So common difference D is 4. Then calculate T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 2 minus T2. T2 is minus 6. Minus 2 as it is, minus into minus, plus 6. Here opposite sign, do subtraction, sign of the greater. Then T4 minus T3. T4 is 2 minus T3 is minus 2. 2 as it is, minus into minus, plus, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Then opposite sign, therefore we did subtraction, sign of the greater. Here same sign, addition, sign of the greater, that is 4. So if you observe, common difference D is same. So how to conclude the result? Common difference D is equal to 4, that is constant every time. All differences you have to check. Don't check only 2 times, and if you are leaving 3rd time, this is not the method. You have to check the common difference for each consecutive term. Here the common difference D is 4, constant every time. Therefore, given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Given sequence is an arithmetic progression. So like this, we have to solve the remaining sum from question number 1. Then we will take question number 2. Write down. What is the question number 2? Write an AP. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D of the following. First sum I will take. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. Question number 2. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D. Value of A and D both are given. Value of A is 10 and value of D is 5. A means first term and D means common difference. Previously we learned how to find the terms from an arithmetic progression. Solution. See, T1 means E. T1 means first term. First term is denoted by E, that is 10. T2 is T1 plus common difference, that is first term plus common difference. First term you calculated, that is 10, plus D. D is the common difference, that is 5, that is 15. Then find third term. Third term means previous term T2 plus common difference D, because you have to add common difference cumulatively. क्रमागत येणाऱ्या संख्येमध्ये जो साधारण फरक आहे तो मिळवत जायचा. सो T3 is equal to T2 plus common difference is remains same 5, that is 20. T4 is previous term third term plus common difference which is constant. So third term is 20 plus common difference is 5, that is 25. Like this you obtain 4 terms. The number of terms which are provided in that question, that much terms you have to calculate. Here you have to write only 3 to 4 terms in order to form an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression मिळवण्यासाठी पहिले 3-4 टर्म्स काढल्या तरी चालतं, कारण येणारा फरक हा कंपल्सरी कॉन्स्टंट असतो पुढे. So here T1 is 10, T2 is 15, T3 is 20, T4 is 25. Therefore arithmetic progression is first term is denoted by A, that is 10. T1 is 10, T2 is 15, T3 is 20, T4 is 25. You see common difference is 5. 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25. Like this you can complete the arithmetic progression. So our arithmetic progression is 10, 15, 20, 25. So like this we solve one sum from question number 1 and one sum from question number 2. Like this you have to solve the remaining sums from the practice set 3.1. Have you understood the today's topic? Thank you.